you just can't print money like that. How much money do they want to print? Seriously.
Actually goes up to 6.2 potentially trillion dollars. So you're talking about a $6.2 trillion bill.
Trillions? Does that mean you've got unlimited amount of money like grains of sand on the beach?
There's enough cash in the financial system, and there is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. We will do whatever we need to do to make sure that there's enough cash in the banking system.
Wait, doesn't that make the US dollar worthless? Money is only backed by its economic system. It only has a value in this system. Once the system collapses, money loses value. So the US dollar becomes worthless if the system collapses. This is not a long-term sustainable solution. The US dollar will be massively devalued and future generations will have to pay the price.
In 1929, years of booming prosperity ended in catastrophe. It was the biggest stock market crash since records began.
To make it clear, the government is taking 18,000 US dollars out of your pocket and giving them back $1,200, but not to everyone. 6.2 trillion US dollars divided by 330 million citizens is 18,000 US dollars. And then some, not all, will get 1,200 US dollars back. This is like going to a party that you did not attend, having to foot the 18,000 US dollar bill for the food and beverages you did not drink, but then get a 1,200 US dollar consolation prize. Furthermore, the Federal Reserve Bank has cut reserve requirements to 0%. You heard it correctly. 0%. That means banks do not need reserves to create loans. Any bank in the United States can create money out of thin air. The good news is that Jimmy can get a loan with his subpar credit. The bad news? Banks do not have real cash. The 10,000 US dollars sitting on your bank account might just be numbers on the computer screen without any reserves. No wonder they want to stop you from taking your money out of the bank.
Your money is safe at the banks. Your money is safe at the banks. Your money is safe at the banks. The last thing you should be doing is pulling your money out of the banks now, thinking that it's going to be safer someplace else. You don't want to be walking around with large wads of cash, and you certainly don't want to be hoarding cash in your mattress.
That's why my suggestion to you is become your own bank and buy some Bitcoin.